Welcome to this GiftWorks video. My name is Steve Faithful, and this is the third in a series of videos that was created to help you better understand our GiftWorks online donation service. In previous videos, we've talked about how to get started with our online donation service, how to begin to use your GiftWorks Live account to set up your options for your GiftWorks Live, for your GiftWorks online donation service. Then we begin to look at some of the dashboard and transaction information in there. And in this video, we're going to be looking at how to set up your donate page. That is the page that you use to collect your donations. And we'll be looking both at the look and feel of that page and then also some of the information that you collect as part of receiving a donation. So I'm going to go ahead and start by just simply signing in to my GiftWorks Live account. Click on sign in and I'll see my list of services, and I'm going to click the manage link next to online donations. And then you remember you come right back to this dashboard, and we went over transactions last time and we've looked at options in the previous video. And so I'm going to click on the donate page now because we're going to start to modify and view the donate page, the page that I use to collect my donations. You notice you can see this current theme right here. We'll be looking at that in a moment. But across the top here you'll see themes, amounts, restrictions, settings, and buttons. These are the different things, the different options that you can use, that you're going to use to set up your page. This overview page that I'm on currently kind of just gives me an overview of the different options. And so really everything that's contained on this page is what we're going to be going through here in just a moment. But if I want to just look at my current theme, wherever I'm at right now, and for most of you when you first start out, you'll probably have a default theme. It's a fairly plain theme, but you can go ahead and just view it by clicking on it. It'll show you what your theme is. I'm going to go ahead and close this, and I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to click on the themes link at the top. And you're going to see a whole list of themes that are available to you. As part of online donations, we give you a whole list of themes that you can choose from to use as part of your donate page. And a theme is just a pre-formatted page that has images and colors and layout that may or may not be helpful to you. It comes, like I said, with most of you will see this very plain default one. It's a sort of a very plain page, doesn't have many graphics or it uses very plain colors. But you can choose from one of the themes here. If you don't see a theme here you like, you can open the theme library by clicking over here on the right hand side. And by clicking on the theme library, you can choose from some other ones that we include, and then simply click on it and it'll add this theme to your list of themes. Now, right now I'm using this theme. I'm going to switch to a very basic theme called this charitable organization theme. You'll see it's titled Green. It's just a very plain theme that contains an image at the top with a title and a subtitle and so on. Now, when you're talking about designing a donate page, and when we talk about look and feel, most of you are going to fall into one of two groups. The first group is a group that says, I can choose a theme that GiftWorks Online Donations provides. It'll be close, or it'll be satisfactory to me. It doesn't need to be fancy. Perhaps you don't have a website currently, so you're not necessarily trying to match it to something. Or you just maybe you don't want to go, at this point in time, don't want to go through the effort of actually making your donate page look exactly like an existing web page. So you can choose from one of our themes, and that's great. The other group will be those of you who really want to make it match an existing site or some other existing layout or imagery or branding. And so, well, first we're going to talk about those of you who simply want to use one of our themed pages that we provide. Now, by picking a theme, you can make a few changes to it, to some of the major elements. And so we're going to go ahead, and you'll notice this personalized link here on my theme, and you'll see what this. I clicked on this. This is my current theme. If I go ahead and click on it, it's going to show me that this now is my current theme, and you'll see what it looks like. At any time, you can click on this View Donation Page link, and that's going to show you your current setup or your currently designed donate page. And so we'll continue to refer to that as we make changes. So I'm going to click on Personalize. This Personalize doesn't allow me to. Remember, this is for those of you who are looking at picking one of our themes, but maybe want to make some of the major elemental changes, and I'll show you that in a moment. I'm going to click on Personalize, and what it gives me the option to do is change the title of it, the subtitle, the website URL, and the footer. So like I said, the major elements to the page. And so I'm going to just match, I'm using this fictitious organization called Care About Community, and we care a lot. And I'll just put in my website, which is careaboutcommunity.com. And then I can just put in a cared about community, and I can click on save. So what I've done is just change some major elements to the page. I'm not changing colors or layout or images. I'm just changing some of the major elements. So I'm going to click on save. And now I'm going to come back to my themes page, and I'm going to view this donation page now. So I'm still on my current theme, but if I click here, I'll see now I've changed the title, the subtitle, and now I also see the footer. Some of the pages will show your web page. Some of the pages will not, just depends on how you've set it up. That is your URL. And so in this case, I just see that I've just changed some of the elements about it. So I've used a theme and changed some of the major elements about it. That URL also, even though it's not visible, if I click on this title right here, it'll actually take me to my website, this Care About Community site. So you see in this how I've set up my page, and I've used the theme, and I've just changed some of the basic elements. And if that's satisfactory to you, then it's really easy to set up, really easy to kind of work from here. So there's another group of you who may want to actually fully customize this page because you want to actually match it to an existing website or an existing branding of some sort. And to do that, you notice some of these you notice over here. Some of the themes actually contain an edit link, and the edit link means that you can actually take it. Some of the built-in themes that we provide you can't edit. You can simply make a copy of it, which I'll do right now. So I'm going to make a copy. I'll just call it my demo video page, donate page, and click on copy theme. And now if I scroll, you'll see this demo video donate page that I have right here. And now I have an edit link. So I kind of took what I started with, and now I'm going to want to modify it from here. So for those of you who have web design experience, whether you have using HTML or other web page technologies, you'll feel probably pretty comfortable. You'll probably be able to figure it out fairly quickly on your own as well. When I click on edit, I have a list of all the files that are available to me, and two files in particular that are important in my page right now, which is layout.view, which for those of you who understand it, it's the basic HTML form for the page. And then there's also, in this case, a style.css. So those two kind of work together to provide a lot of the imagery, a lot of the layout of my page. For those of you who are not that comfortable with this, if you either, certainly there's a lot of things you can search for on the internet about how to understand some of these basic things, but you may need to consult a web design professional who either designed your website or things like that, and that can basically take what they've done already and then use it in this to be able to design your donate page. And so I'm gonna make a small change to my page, and I'm gonna go back to my theme. And you know this demo video donate page, I'm going to just modify a little bit. Let's just pretend I want to modify this image on the back. I can go ahead and click on edit, and I'm going to upload a file. I'm going to upload I think I have a community, my little logo for my site. Now I certainly won't be able to do this that much, but I'm just going to upload that file. Now it's added to my collection. I'm going to go to my style.css because I know for this one, if I scroll down to header, I'm just going to change this to be community.gif, and I'm going to click on save. And you'll see if I go back to I can preview my changes right here. You'll see that I've included my own personal logo. I've took about that other one. So I'm beginning the process of making it match my website. Now, it's not there yet. It would require a lot of changes, but I could now, if I wanted to, scroll down again, go to my header. Let's see if I can just change this to a white background and save the changes again. I'll preview this now. Now you see I'm beginning to change a little bit. So I'm matching my colors, trying to get things a little bit more matched. I got my logo, some of the white background. So you see how I can begin to modify this. So I would say that if you're looking at doing this, this may require some advanced HTML capabilities and other maybe even scripting technologies to be able to get menus and get layout working the way you'd want. But I want you to know that's definitely possible in terms of making it match your website, and that's the themes will get you started. Now we're gonna end this video right now, and we're gonna pick it up in the next video about how to modify the amounts, the restrictions, the settings, and the buttons, and we'll actually incorporate it into a website so you can see it at work. And so thanks for watching this video. Stay tuned for the next one where we're going to talk about more of the options about setting up your donate page. Thanks.